The Raw Food Diet. A comprehensive guide to eating for optimal health. Introduction to the raw food diet. The raw food diet has gained significant attention in recent years due to its potential health benefits and natural approach to nutrition. This diet primarily consists of unprocessed and uncooked foods, emphasizing fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and grains. The underlying principle is that heating food above 118 degrees Fahrenheit, 48 degrees Celsius, can destroy essential enzymes and nutrients, reducing overall health benefits. Advocates of the raw food diet believe that consuming foods in their natural state can improve digestion, enhance energy levels, and promote overall well-being. Benefits of the raw food diet. Improved digestion and gut health. One of the most notable benefits of the raw food diet is improved digestion. Raw foods are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support a healthy gut microbiome. Additionally, the natural enzymes present in raw foods can assist in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients, further enhancing digestive health. Enhanced energy levels. Many individuals who adopt a raw food diet report experiencing increased energy levels. This surge in energy can be attributed to the high nutrient density and bioavailability of raw foods. Unlike processed foods, which often contain empty calories and added sugars, raw foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that fuel the body and promote sustained energy throughout the day. Weight management. The raw food diet can be an effective tool for weight management. Raw foods are typically low in calories but high in volume, which can help individuals feel full and satisfied without overeating. The high fiber content also plays a crucial role in regulating appetite and preventing unhealthy snacking. Additionally, eliminating processed foods and refined sugars can reduce weight loss and improve body composition. Detoxification and cleansing. Raw foods are known for their detoxifying properties. The diet's emphasis on fresh fruits and vegetables provides the body with a wealth of antioxidants and phytonutrients supporting detoxification. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and eliminate toxins from the body, promoting optimal health and vitality. Potential challenges and how to overcome them. Nutritional deficiencies. While the raw food diet offers numerous health benefits, it is essential to be aware of potential nutritional deficiencies. Raw foodists may need help to obtain adequate amounts of certain nutrients, such as vitamin B12, iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. To address these concerns, it is crucial to incorporate various nutrient-dense foods into the diet and consider supplementation when necessary. For example, sea vegetables, sprouted legumes, and nuts can provide essential minerals, while flax seeds and chia seeds are excellent sources of omega-3s. Social and practical considerations. Adopting a raw food diet can present social and practical challenges, particularly when dining out or attending social gatherings. Finding suitable raw food options in conventional restaurants may be difficult, and explaining dietary preferences to friends and family can be challenging. To overcome these obstacles, planning by researching raw-friendly restaurants, bringing your dishes to social events, and communicating your dietary needs clearly and confidently is helpful. Food safety concerns. Consuming raw foods carries a risk of foodborne illnesses due to potential contamination. Proper food handling and hygiene are essential to minimize these risks. This includes thoroughly washing fruits and vegetables, avoiding cross-contamination, being mindful of the source and quality of the foods consumed. Additionally, certain foods like sprouts may be more prone to bacterial growth and should be consumed cautiously. Creating a balanced raw food diet plan. Incorporating a variety of foods. Various foods must be incorporated to ensure a well-rounded and nutritionally balanced raw food diet. These include fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and sprouted grains. Leafy greens, such as kale and spinach, are rich in vitamins and minerals, while colorful fruits like berries and citrus provide antioxidants and phytonutrients. Nuts and seeds offer healthy fats and protein, essential for maintaining muscle mass and overall health. Meal planning and preparation. Effective meal planning and preparation are essential to following a raw food diet. Setting aside time each week to plan meals, shop for fresh ingredients, and prepare food in advance can help ensure adherence to the diet. Investing in kitchen tools, such as a high-quality blender, food processor, and dehydrator, can make meal preparation more efficient and enjoyable. Sample meal plan breakfast. Green smoothie with spinach, kale, banana, and chia seeds. Snack. Fresh fruit salad with mixed berries and a handful of nuts. Lunch. Raw vegetable wrap with collard greens, avocado, bell peppers, and sprouts. Snack. Carrot sticks with raw almond butter. Dinner. Zucchini noodles with marinara sauce made from fresh tomatoes, garlic, and basil. Dessert. Raw chocolate avocado mousse. Conclusion: the raw food diet offers a natural and nutrient-dense approach to eating that can provide numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, enhanced energy levels, and effective weight management. While there are potential challenges, such as nutritional deficiencies and social considerations, these can be addressed with careful planning and awareness. By incorporating various raw foods and practicing proper food safety, individuals can enjoy the vibrant health and vitality of the raw food diet.